everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope everyone is having a great day. So I got something from the outlet. Didn't get anything from this new release, but I did get something. So it's two outlets that I go to. So I called the first one and asked them, do they have any red or satchel? They told me that they had one left and they couldn't put it on hold. So I called the next location and they told me that they had two. So once I made it there and I looked around to see if they had the Ron satchel, I'm coming just for the red Ron satchel. So I couldn't find it, and I asked one of the sales rep, and he told me that they just had the small one left. So I didn't want the small one. So I began to look around to see what else they had from this collection. So they had the cherry print. They had the red collection, and they did have the black and white and blue and white plaid. So I didn't want that. So they did have the blue maggot tote and they had the large maggot tote. The blue maggot tote looked phenomenal, but I didn't want that because I was coming from the red Ron satchel. And the guy told me the lady just left out of here with the last one. So I began to look around to see what else they had. And they had, exactly what I wanted. So let's see what I got. So since they didn't have the red Ron satchel, so you all know where I'm going, right? And I just couldn't leave her there, you all. I couldn't leave her there. Look at her. How could I leave her? I couldn't leave her. I couldn't. Okay, so we know how the satchel look in the inside. So, like I said, when I realized that this was the newest satchel, look at that, you all. Just look at that. I couldn't leave it. It's enough slouch for me. It's enough slouch. And with the shoulder strap being smaller, it was so comfortable on my arm. So I just couldn't leave her. I couldn't leave her when I realized exactly that this was the newest slouch. Okay, so I want to do a comparison. So this one is the maple walnut with braided details and tassel, and it has more structure to this bag. This one is the black walnut, and it has that slouch. So this the bottom, and this the bottom of the bag. Okay. So do y'all see where I'm coming from? The same brand, bag, shape, size, but just different colors. So if you all enjoyed this video on today, give me a like, share, and subscribe to Woman Happy 84. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you all will know every time I upload a video.